Currently, I'm not exactly sure in which state the agent and the LLM are. I don't know if it will try to reopen this file and continue editing. We will see. At worst, we will let's give it some time and see what happens. Here we can look a little bit inside on how this extension works. So it creates a checklist of things to be done, and they have IDs, and then it can resume the work on them. In this case, I will just close Visual Studio Code and resume the work afterwards. In reality, these agents are just text files that keep track of what happened and what is planned to happen. This is why some people say that LLMs are stupid. And I am on the camp with, yes, I agree they are stupid. But if we guide them well enough, they become useful. They don't become intelligent, but they become useful. Intelligence and usefulness are two separate things. Intelligence is something that humans and other species have, where you can envision an outcome and you ask yourself questions on how to get there, why, what will happen once you get there, so on and so forth. Usefulness is what we have now with LLMs, where they understand well enough the connection between words and notions, and they follow a path. But as soon as this path is slightly broken, they get lost. Also, the thinking part, I don't know if I can have it here, but it's not thinking in the sense that humans think. It is more a series of words that happen to be one after each other. In programming, this is good, or in programming it is easier than in other fields, because the code itself has a lot of meaning. The variables name have a meaning. The functions that are being called have a meaning. Everything has been created by humans and has a meaning. So everything the LLM has learned from books or other literature can be applied to coding as well. But as soon as the LLM will encounter a new scenario that has never happened in a book, the outcome is very random. It's not necessarily bad, it's not necessarily good. It's very random. Whether with humans we can deduct better. Us, we are capable of storing information from our past experiences and anticipate outcomes. And we rely on other humans or other things to help us in achieving that outcome. The LLM doesn't, in a sense. It just goes and does the thing and hopes that whatever it does is the path forward. It is very, very different. We will see more of these differences as we start testing an LLM. Testing LLMs is quite a complicated chapter. Testing code is rather simple, but testing LLMs is complicated.